Hôm nay mình và các bạn của mình đi xem trình diễn máy bay trên không. Đây chính là một cái buổi kỷ niệm 100 năm của Không Quân Canada và Canada kết hợp với Mỹ. Sẽ tổ chức một cái chương trình gọi là Airshow ở thung lũng Comox này. Rồi các bạn sẽ đồng hành cùng mình để xem cái buổi biểu diễn máy bay trên không hôm nay sẽ thú vị như thế nào nhá. Rồi, Sebas đã thả mọi người xuống sân bay. Khi vào trong đến sân bay này rồi thì mọi người sẽ được đi triển lãm hoặc là tham quan các thể loại máy bay. Canada. Stunning, stunning. Chiếc máy bay này đang bay gọi là đây để khởi động đây. Từ nãy giờ bay lượn mấy vòng rồi. Oh, the baby is coming. Woo! Wow, it doesn't have any. Rồi bây giờ mình tìm một cái chỗ nào đấy đẹp đẹp một tí ngồi xuống. Are we gonna sit here? Đây, chiếc máy bay này chuẩn bị cất cánh tiếp. Yes, taking off. Rồi lát nữa sẽ quay lại.
Right, your side.
So smooth, right? Not not very loud. We go.
Oh,
Oh, look at that. What's the
I think it's a C40 with the big.
coming back? Hello, hello. Wow. Yeah, he's landing.
Sweet. Let's clap. Yeah, let's
Woo! Wonderful. Rồi show này vừa mới hết và khoảng 30 phút nữa sẽ đến show của những chú chim tuyết. Mọi người đến đây chủ yếu là chờ mấy cái máy bay snowbird này, là những cái máy bay chim tuyết này. Đó. Các bạn thấy đông người không? Mình nghe nói là dự đoán có khoảng 40.000 người đã đến đây để xem cái buổi trình diễn máy bay này. Oh my God.
what is it? I want one of those.
Parachute.
There's parachutes.
Yes.
But is this people or they're like
They're people.
or they're little things? Are they big persons? Man, that's sick.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, because they can land on the ground. I did that and skydiving too.
Okay, I did bungee jumping. I didn't do the skydiving though.
Man, you have to.
Right?
Incredible.
Oh my God.
And look at that, they land at the same spot.
The landing is the heaviest part.
I was freezing there with a smile like already.
So tất cả các bạn mình đang nằm ở đây đã,
Hola.
We're just like speaking.
và
Everything you're saying.
chúng mình đang chờ để xem những màn trình diễn tiếp theo. Nắng rất là ấm, mọi người cảm thấy rất là dễ chịu. Muốn nằm ở đây cả ngày luôn. Straight to the sky. And then
The
turn
clouds are so
around.
beautiful
Yeah, the cloud is
because the air.
yeah, the cloud is perfect.
The C40, how fast it was, right? Compared the one first we saw, the C40.
Yeah.
Where have you been? We've been just waiting for you.
No, what's
Aw, sexy.
Yeah.
Sit down. How are you?
Yeah, I
Fantastic. Oh. Ah, sprinting! Get on the airplane.
I think it's a heavy load.
Oh, so the parachute in the back? Yeah, they can just jump straight off the ramp.
And
And the
then
line actually pulls the parachute and it disconnects. Marking the targets.
Who's this?
It's based out of Trenton, so we flew in from Ontario.
Oh!
Yeah.
I thought this was a Comox Valley thing.
No, so the airshow is the Comox airshow for the base.
Yeah.
But because it's the 100th anniversary of the Air Force, right? Like April 1st, 2024 was the 100th anniversary. So we're bringing the aircraft out from the entire Air Force to come to air shows and show what we do and show the aircraft.
Yeah.
So we flew in from Trenton yesterday. Got here last
You
night.
flew all over here from Toronto?
Yeah, Trenton, Ontario. It's just east
Ontario,
of Toronto.
yeah.
So it's about 2 hours east of Toronto.
Yeah.
Along the Great Lakes still. So
Okay.
we flew out here, parked right over there, opened the doors up and showing it to people today.
Yeah,
And
that's-
tomorrow we're leaving again. So
So tomorrow you're flying back?
basically,
Okay, so you're not based here though?
no.
Okay.
No. These guys here are based here.
Yeah.
And, a couple of the other ones, the helicopter, that's somewhere. Oh, just across.
Yeah.
They're based here. But no, the C-17 is based in Trenton, Ontario.
That's wonderful. How long have you been serving in the, the service?
So I've been in the military since 2016.
2016. Oh
Yeah.
wow,
And
almost 10 years ago, 8 years.
oh yeah, time flies. But and I've been on the C-17 since 2020.
Yeah.
But you were always a pilot.
Yeah, so I joined as a pilot.
Okay.
Was trained by the military to become a pilot.
Yeah.
Started flying operationally since 2020.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a cool job you have.
Yeah, I can't complain.
Yeah, right? Very rewarding.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because whenever we see you guys in uniform, we say, we have so much respect for these guys.
We appreciate it. We try our best.
Right.
We try to earn it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you do when you're not flying?
When I'm not flying,
Yeah.
so I mean, for one, the C-17 is very busy, so we're probably away from home for somewhere between 120 and 180 days out of the year.
Oh wow, that's
So
long.
we're away a lot, and when we're back home, we still have to maintain other training currencies. So we will do training flights back home. We have office duties as well, certain staff duties. Like I work in my unit's training shop, so we just maintain paperwork and make sure that all the required documents and the skills by all the pilots are being maintained. So there's other jobs as well, but most of the time, luckily, I'm flying.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Anyway, I think to range that up a little bit, I'm going to...
Are you gonna fly again for the show?
No, we're not flying for the show.
no.
We're so big, it's kind of,
Ah, yeah.
it's kind of an
Oh,
either or
yeah.
situation. We either park somewhere where people can see us,
Yeah.
or if we ended up having to move and start the engines, we'd be blowing everything away around here with the
Oh,
engines running.
I reckon, yeah.
So we're just parked over there for the duration of the show.
Just
Once
for
the
a
show's
small
over,
airplane.
We'll leave. Yeah.
So I can't wait for the snowbirds to take off.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what time they were supposed to be.
I've heard,
Most people say
I've been
3.
told that it's
3?
3, yeah.
Okay, it's another 20 minutes.
Yeah.
We've almost made it, then you can go get food. All right, you guys have a great show.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye.
Đã đến giờ những chiếc máy bay Snowbird ra. Cậu có thể thấy không? Rất nhiều người đang ngóng chờ và chỉ ít phút nữa thôi là những cái con Snowbird kia sẽ cất cánh.
Oh.
Having 2x2.
Yeah, well, stop by and say hi.
I love you.
Một cơn bão đang tới, nhưng đằng này mọi người vẫn đang ngóng chờ những con snowbird đang biểu diễn trên không trung. Wow! Yeah, I'm looking for you. Yeah, that's scary, right?
We need to do it again.
Look, here we go. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, look at this. Đó, và những chiếc máy bay Snowbird đã kết thúc buổi trình diễn, đang quay về. Nếu như mà thời tiết ủng hộ hơn một chút mà có nắng đẹp ấy, thì buổi show hôm nay phải nói là quá tuyệt vời. Nhưng mà do thời tiết hơi có mưa một chút cho nên là nhìn nó không được mãn nguyện. Wow. Welcome back you guys.